With airports, local hospitals are also playing catch up after the IT outages.
Our Dylan Scott is live outside of Legacy Good Samaritan with more. Dylan.
Yeah, Riel and Pete, good evening. As expected, some anxious hours for doctors, nurses, and patients alike. However, after some, difficult delays, we can report that most of the hospitals in the area are again in good working order.
Within a hospital system, that's a little bit disconcerting.
Around the world and in Nick Llewellyn's world, the CrowdStrike software outage created an uneasy few hours.
I've got a friend who does project management within the Providence system. My wife works here at Good Sam, so things were just shut down.
Among his daily husband duties, Llewellyn was also getting the play-by-play from his significant other, as many workers hope to get past a logjam of IT issues.
You can't log things, you can't call people necessarily. I mean, she's finishing a call right now, so things are moving along, but it tears everything up.
In a statement, Legacy Health says they've worked through the night to fix any technical concerns. The big ripple effect could be scheduling conflicts, of which they say they'll be notifying patients.
We have 487 systems, 266 of which were impacted.
Mayor Ted Wheeler and the city's emergency management team said in a press conference Friday, while there have been some technical difficulties in areas such as ports, transportation, and other municipalities, the essential services have been functioning through the outages.
The immediate restoration priorities, again, as we directed from the Emergency Operations Center, were to address those critical, not only life safety functions, which we put first, but also those critical business functions. So as a city, we're in a pretty good shape right now.
While Mayor Wheeler said the city is cyber attack ready, this incident will likely lead to an essential technology-dependent conversation in the days ahead.
When you have an over-reliance on a system or you don't have a sense of redundancy, you're setting yourself up for failure. So I hope there are a lot of conversations being had in different boardrooms about how to alleviate and mitigate problems like this.
And for those dealing with delays in our healthcare system, an adult beverage might be in the works after a stressful 24 hours at the office.
I will happily open one for her if she requests.
And outside Good Samaritan Medical Center, important to tell you right now that emergency services and call centers are fully operational at this time. For now, in Northwest Portland, Dylan Scott, Fox 12 Oregon.
That is good to hear. Dylan, thank you.